Welcome back to Sawmill Explained. We're going to look at customizing a report. This is a default IIS profile and we're looking at the file types report. You can get to the report editor via the Customise link in the toolbar, which takes you straight to the report in the report editor, or via the config options list and it'll take you to the main page. Once we're inside, we can see the elements in the report. This one only has one element, but of course you can have as many as you like, and the single page summary is a good example of one with more than one. So we're going to edit the file types report. We want to add a graph, and we want to take away some of the columns because they just have no reason to be there for file types. We want a 3D, a pie chart, 3D pie chart. Okay, so save changes and go back to view reports. And there we have it, a graph and new table. You can change the sort order. We've got hits sorted here, but we can change the sort order by clicking on a column. Okay, thanks for watching.